Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So it is Monday, so I don't expect too much, but just based on what's been going on, I think it's probably worthwhile just paying attention to the charts. Now, you are looking for opportunities to buy, and unfortunately, the opportunities are quite far down. You can see that's the first level I've put in. There's another level down here. So the real opportunity is 5,500. That's where there would be a really good buying opportunity. But had a bit of a hanging man, but that was null and void basically by the engulfing bar that went past it. So we'll look on the lower time frame. There's more than likely a range break that you'll be able to trade. So moving on to the 3 hour, nothing really changes, and you can see how these levels, you see all the tails, they are very much in play, 55.26 and 5,500. Those are the two levels. Don't pay too much attention to the oscillators at the moment. We are in a strong uptrend, and they can stay like this for an extended period of times on the higher time frame. So this is a really strong channel at the moment. So there's the first part of the channel, and then obviously if I extend it further back, you'll see there's a bigger channel as well. So onwards and upwards, nothing else you want to know, just buy the dip. Friday was a bit of profit taking, but then not quite on the level that we're looking at, but it did visit it. So it makes me believe that this level is still very much in play, 55.26, and then you will have the underside here, which would also be a level at 55.50. Okay, so if you watch the 1 hour oscillators, this is where you pay attention to the oscillators on the lower time frames. You can see separation coming into a zone of support, and then if we drop down to the hour and we just look left, you can see there was a 15-minute level. Just going to put it in quickly. And we missed it, but the 150 EMA was there. But if you scroll more left, and you shouldn't have to go too far, because we did have a bit of a fall, you'll see there is more structure here. And that was on 31st of July. Okay, so it was just before the big fall. There was structure there, and that's basically what we've broken through and are testing now. So, well, we're not testing at the moment, we tested it on Friday. So that's kind of the zone that we came into. I would expect either a revisit. There is a big gap here, so I would expect either a revisit of 55.26. I don't think you'll break below the low, or alternatively, you're looking at any one of these tails to the left here that could help up price. So first price at the moment is 55.50, 55.45, that zone there. Price come back into here, build a base, and then get going. You do have a big gap to the downside, so what could happen is Friday could be the start of a bigger range, and then Monday just continues in this range until we get to Tuesday, which is when you start getting data releases and noise. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I think pay attention to the oscillators on the 15-minute and the hour. You can see the 15-minute was also grouped to the downside in a zone of support, 150 EMA, pin bar, engulfing bar, definitely an opportunity to take a shot, 140 points stop loss. I wouldn't have taken it over the weekend. At a 370 point odd gain. So expect either a range or an outrageous breakout, but I think it's more than likely going to be a range. To be either a tight range or it'll drop down into the structure I've shown you and then just bold zigzag up and down until Tuesday. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Anyway, that's my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.